name's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a tips and tricks on this 2017 Dodge Ram 1500. We put a 6-inch rough country lift kit on it, some 20x10 Moto Metal 962 wheels, and some 35 1250 R20 Radar Renegade mud train tires. We also put some rough country pocket fender flares and painted them to match. If you want more information on the tire wheel setup, there will be a link to that video right here. Besides that, tips and tricks on this lift. One, the strut, absolutely critical. There's a spacer on the top and there's an internal spacer inside of the strut, meaning you'll have to take your strut apart. Most people do not have spring strut compressors, so make sure you either buy some, rent some, or you get in touch with a shop beforehand that will be able to disassemble your strut and put it back together for you. Otherwise, you'll be in your driveway and you'll end up with a 4-inch lifted ram instead of a 6-inch lifted ram. Besides that, you do have to drop your differential. Make sure you have another jack to drop your differential or a transmission jack or something like that. You'll need some cutting tools to cut your cross members, so make sure you have a reciprocating saw or an angle grinder, depending on what you're most comfortable with. And in the rear, typically you'll run a spacer with the factory spring, piece of cake, easy to go. So the biggest tip, spring strut compressor for your struts for that internal spacer. Besides that, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts, whether it's the tires, wheels, fender flares, anything like that, go to our website, central-alps.com, and we would love to get your parts shipped out today. Also, if you want to buy a vehicle already built, already lifted, already done, go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, scroll through, see if there's anything that catches your eye. If there is, click on it, call up the dealer, and then go buy it today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.